You're a wizard.
Oh hey everybody. With Halloween being hold on, that's better. With Halloween being over and the holidays approaching quickly, that means Harry Potter's gonna be played every day, all day, everywhere. So that makes me wonder about butterbeer recipes. And should I make a butterbeer recipe? But then when I looked on the internet, it turns out there's about 1 million butterbeer recipes on YouTube. And I don't wanna add to that malarkey. So instead of doing my own recipe, I decided to take the biggest butterbeer recipe on YouTube and recreate it to see if it actually tastes good and or if it even tastes like butterbeer. Because if you've ever gone to Universal, you gotta get the butterbeer from Harry Potter World, which is basically just butterscotch cream soda. It's very good, but this one, it's from the YouTube channel How to Drink. They have about 4 million views on their video. I'm gonna take theirs, and it looks really good. Like, just the aesthetics of the whole video and everything just looks really good, so that's what we're doing today. Look at this. I even got the same winter ale, the Samuel Smith winter ale that he used in his video. So we're gonna do it the exact same way he did it, and we're gonna see if it tastes like Universals. I don't know. Probably not. Let's go over these ingredients that we got. So we're cutting this recipe down by 1/3 because these are expensive. They're like $6 a bottle. We got 2 pints of winter ale, Samuel Smith's Winter Welcome Ale. We're gonna go with 4 egg yolks. We got 2/3 of a cup of demerara sugar, aka sugar in the raw. We got 9 teaspoons of butter, 4 cloves. He says 1 inch of ginger. I'm probably not gonna use all of this, but we're gonna be grating this into it. Ground nutmeg, of course, hot plate pot, all that good stuff. So let's get started. Does anybody else have this sick Nickelback beer bottle opener that I got from the concert in 2011? Yeah. So, pop these bad boys open. Let's get a slow-mo, We're doing all this on the fly. So we're gonna put this bad boy on low because we don't wanna cook the beer because then it's gonna cook the alcohol out of it and that's lame. We need another slow-mo. Get the slow-mo. He does the coolest slow-mos. I gotta hand it to that guy. He's cool. Let's do the ginger because this actually takes time. This is gonna take a minute, isn't it? I used that much ginger. I think it was out to here, and then it's down to here, because I just feel like that's too much going on. Whole cloves in. Next up, next thing on the list. So we're gonna do a little less than half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Bow. If you don't know how to separate eggs, you do it like this. You take an egg, right? You crack it into your hand, okay? Make sure there's a bowl there, or else it's gonna be a mess. Look at that, perfect. Into the bowl. Look at that. Now we're good. That one, first one was stupid. Sick. Wash your hands, salmonella might be a thing, I don't know. So now we're gonna cream, that's the technical term, cream the sugar and the egg yolks together to make like a frothy thing. Just gonna mix that up together. You see how fancy that was? I have a stand mixer, but we're not gonna use it. We're gonna use this because it's more universal. All right, see how that color changed? I'm assuming this is what it's supposed to look like. It kind of looks like what he had. So, is this ready? It's not ready. We're gonna wait a little bit longer because it's still kind of meh. All right, take a look at this. You see how there's just some steam rolling off of this right now? I don't know if you could see it, but there's steam rolling off. You got a little bit of bubbles. This is that ginger mess that we're probably going to get out of there, but that's where we want it to be. Now we're gonna temper our egg sugar mixture, like he said, because if not, it's gonna cook the eggs, and that's gross. So you don't wanna just pour everything in there. And then we're just gonna start stirring this egg sugar mixture, and then pour this in. This is called tempering. And we're gonna pour it in the rest of the beer. Oh yeah. Looks just like his. Now, for the last bit of the ingredient is obviously the butter, because without it, it's not butterbeer. Oh, it's gone forever. And then we're just gonna let that simmer a little bit longer so that butter melts, gets nice and creamy, and then we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna give it a try. So the butter's melted. I think we're good, incorporated. The temperature's nice. Look at this froth we got going on here. That looks really sick. There's one problem with this recipe, and it's the whole ginger. So I'm switching it up. I got myself a little colander, a little sieve right here. We're gonna sift it because no one wants to drink bits and pieces of ginger. It doesn't melt because we didn't get it hot enough. So I'm gonna do this. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do this just to keep it nice. See, look at that. We got it all out of there. And now we got a smooth punch bowl of butterbeer. It smells nice. Should I put it back? You see that color? It actually looks authentically butterbeer-ish. We need a mug. I didn't buy the cool mug he has, but I stole this from a bar, I'm pretty sure. Let's get some sick angles. All right, we did it. Look at it. This is the butterbeer. You can actually see what it looks like because I have a clear mug, and that's cool. And then I'm gonna try and garnish it with this nutmeg. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. All right, we're doing this. We're doing it. Oh, that's real warm. But it's very good. That's actually way better than I expected. What did he say it was? It was like liquid French toast? I don't know about that. But it is like a creamy, it's creamy, spicy, and you really don't taste beer that much. Because of that sugar and egg concoction, I'm sure this is 700 calories. But whatever, dude, who cares? Obviously for a sick drink, because this is apparently the original butterbeer recipe from back in the day. It tastes really good. Now, does it taste like butterbeer? Like iconic butterbeer that you're thinking about from Universal? No, not at all. It doesn't taste like that at all. But it's very good. This is like an adult butterbeer. You would never drink more than one butterbeer at Universal because you'll get a headache because it's so sweet. This is like a Christmas drink, a Thanksgiving drink. I want to say how to make it taste more authentic to the movie? No, to the parks. I got an idea. Wait here. We're gonna put some butterscotch schnapps in it, cause why not? We'll do one shot. We don't need it to be crazy. That's what it was missing. I put a little too much, cause now it's a little too sweet. Half a shot of butterscotch schnapps. Then we're golden. We're good. Yep. There it is. There it is. That is liquid French toast with that butterscotch schnapps in there. Have camera woman try it.
Not super good.
That's what I'm saying, brother. But that's the video. We made butterbeer. I suggest making it. Make it for your kids. Apparently, if you cook this long enough, there's no more alcohol in it. That's dumb, but you can do it. So shout out to Greg from How to Drink for making a sick-ass video. The link to the original video, his video, will be in my description, but in reality, you should have already seen it before you've seen mine. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. We're almost at 600. Last time I said, hey, we're almost at 600. Now we're even closer to 600. And by the time you guys see me again, we're definitely gonna be at 600. So heck yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, butterbeer and stuff.